Hey y'all, today I wanted to show you a little tool that I built for myself that I probably use 5 times a day. It's the quickest way that I know how to get an image file from my Mac to Cloudinary, which is a super useful thing because once it's in Cloudinary, it has a URL. And unlike image files, URLs can go anywhere. It's based on the macOS shortcuts functionality. So this is like the lightweight automation no-code solution, but it has some nice integrations with the OS, and that's what makes it so useful. So the project lives here at this GitHub repository, upload to Cloudinary shortcut. But you don't need to clone this or do anything really. All you really need to do if you're on a Mac here, it's logged into your iCloud account, is click this magical iCloud link. And once you do, it automatically opens the Shortcuts app and prompts you if you want to add this to your quick actions, which is the place that we want to be able to use it. So I'm going to say add shortcut. And it gives you this prompt on install that asks you for your cloud name. Mine is Eric-Cloudinary. And I'm not going to show you what my API key or API secret are, but you'll have to put those in for yourself. And then once you have those entered, hit the add shortcut button. And now here it is in my quick actions. There is a couple more pieces of setup that you have to do the first time you do it. For some reason, even though it's in quick actions here, we have to go to system settings under general, login items and extensions, and then hit under extensions, find this finder, and here turn this little switch on. And that's what actually gets it to appear in the contextual menu within the finder, which is what we want. Okay. And so once you've done that, there's another couple of permission steps on first run. But the long and the short of it is now I can take a screenshot, let's say, and let's mark it up a little bit. We'll say, redo this README. All right. A little note for my colleague there, which is me. Okay, so done. Now I have this annotated screenshot on my desktop, and I want a URL for it, so I can just paste it somewhere, right? And so I just go to the contextual menu, I click it, and then under this quick actions menu, I have a new item here, which is upload to Cloudinary. And what that does, the first time you run it, is it asks you if you're going to give the shortcut permission to do this. Say always allow, you'll never get this again. And then it's going to ask for permission of the clipboard. Again, this is only the first time. You'll never have to run this again after you install this. And now I get a URL, and it's already been pasted into my clipboard. So here's the Cloudinary URL for that screenshot, this file. And if I, open up a new browser window and paste that, here's the image, which is great. And if I go over to my Cloudinary library and reload my assets, we can see it's here, the most recent uploaded asset. Ta-da. And, I can do all the things that I would want to do with a Cloudinary URL generally. So let's say, I have this URL here, and I can resize it however I want. Shrink it way down and, assign a quality of auto and make it a JPEG instead of a PNG, all just by typing, which is great. And now if I, repaste that in there, we can see, I edited the image just by changing the URL. It's the magic of Cloudinary. So I use this all the time. I hope it's going to be useful for you too, and enjoy. Thanks so much.